Hello everyone, in this video today I am sharing with you if I have 10 million Naira, that is about $6,700 today, what am I going to do with it? So the title of this video is if I have 10 million Naira, here is what I will do. What will you do if you have 10 million Naira landed in your account today? It's a question that reveals our values, priorities and vision for life. For me, that kind of money is not just a blessing. It is a responsibility. With it, I would aim to create impact, build sustainability, and empower others while improving myself in the process. Here is how I would wisely use that amount of money to benefit both myself and my community. Number one is that I will invest in personal development and capacity building. Before pouring into others, I must first equip myself. I will dedicate about 1 million Naira to advanced training in areas like digital marketing, AI tools, financial literacy, and entrepreneurship. These skills are critical for modern relevance and will position me to multiply that money wisely. Number two thing I will do is that I will start a scalable business. With about 3 million Naira, I will set up a low overhead, high impact business, possibly in the online education, digital tools, or agro processing sector. The goal will be sustainability, job creation, and community service. This business would also offer internships and empower young people with skills, not just salaries. Number three is that I will support charity and education. Charity is not just about giving money, it's about giving hope. I will allocate 2 million Naira to support orphans, widows, and struggling students, scholarships, school supplies, or even funding tuition for young talents will be my way of giving back and paying it forward. Number four is that I will build a small community tech hub or learning center with 1.5 million Naira. I will rent and equip a community learning hub, a safe place or space with internet, computers, and regular workshops on business, coding, YouTube freelancing, and more. This will be an incubation ground for the next generation of digital entrepreneurs and thinkers. The number five thing I will do is I will invest in real assets. A portion, say 1.5 million, will go into land or cooperative investment. Land remains one of the most stable ways to preserve wealth in Nigeria. Alternatively, I could partner with a reliable cooperative to pool resources for long-term return on investments. Number six is that I will look into emergency and contingency savings. Every wise builder counts the cost. I'd reserve 1 million Naira for savings and emergencies. Unexpected situations can arise. Family needs, business delays, health emergencies. This fund ensures that I remain stable even when life throws a curveball. Number seven is that I will give to the church and missions. And that is because I am a Christian, and as a believer, I'd sow a seed into God's work. Tithing, giving to missions, or helping struggling ministries will be part of my kingdom investment. I believe that when we honor God with our substance, He multiplies what is left. In conclusion, 10 million Naira is not a fortune, but it's a powerful seed. If planted right, with wisdom, generosity, and purpose, that money can build lives, empower communities, and leave a lasting legacy. Rather than spending it all on flashy consumption, I will focus on impact, growth, and stewardship. So, if the 10 million Naira is in your hand and it's been laid in your heart to release it to me to do these things I've outlined, go ahead and let's have it, and let's chat, and then I'll see how we can do what I've listed or what I've mentioned already in this video. So the question now is to you: if you have 10 million Naira today, what will you do differently from what I've said I'm going to do with 10 million Naira? Drop what you are going to do with it in the comment section of this video. I'm going to see you in the next video, but before then, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and Keep coming back for more videos like this one. The name again is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun. And on this channel, as usual, I teach you how to make money online and how to make money offline. So even if the money comes, I don't have 10 million, but if you have, you can give me, and these are some of the things I'm going to do with them. But if I have it also, these are exactly what I'm going to do. So I'll see you in the next one. Before then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to click and watch now. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.